During po the reign, no, administration ni Commissioner Lumagi, meron na rin po bang mga complaints or is this the reason why nawala po si Commissioner Lumagi sa BIR because of this issue?
When Commissioner Lumagi was replaced, it was the prerogative of the President, and the present administration would not know kung bakit po napalitan po.
Okay, so paano po ba yung nagiging scheme nito kung base po sa inyong mga investigasyon para lang po mas malaman ng ating mga kapatid na nanonood ngayon dun sa nangyayari po ng mga extortion na yan? Sino po yung target nila at paano po yung kanilang scheme?
Pare-parehas lang naman po tayo na naririnig din sa media as what Senator JV has said. Ang 70% daw ang pumupunta sa mga revenue officers at 30% sa gobyerno. So yun po lahat po ang titingnan po namin kasi po ang kahapon lang rin po na raise yung mga ganong concerns. So we are still in the process of studying it.
Right, but do you think there's a syndicate behind this just like any other schemes?
I don't think po na there's a syndicate behind these schemes.
All right, sige. We will continue to get in touch with you. Of course, we would want to know din po, Attorney, no, kung ano yung magiging mandato ng technical working group na binuo po ninyo, no, sa nabanggit nyo po kanina, at kung may timeline na po ba tayo para po sa kanilang mga rekomendasyon?
On RMC 107-2022, ang nabasa naman po natin lahat na meron po tayong Technical Working Group or Review Committee on LOA Integrity and Audit Reforms. Ang mandato niya po is to review the current audit processes. So lahat po ng mga revenue issuances ng BIR, particularly addressing the audit process of the BIR, will be reviewed. So pagkatapos noon, we will determine the gaps, kung ano po ang causes ng bakit ang daming issues na nare-raise sa ganyan. And this technical working group will establish safeguards to improve the integrity of the letters of authority. As to the timeline po, it will depend on the findings po. Kasi ngayon po, we are still in the process of constituting that technical working group. So, hindi pa po sila officially nag-convene.